Welcome to CITS F221, Graphics and Multimedia for the Web. My name is Kristen Bouffard, and I'll be your instructor for this semester. Throughout the semester, we're going to be covering a broad range of topics concerning multimedia. So we're going to learn about raster images, vector images, a little HTML, a little CSS. Then we'll switch and work a little bit with animation and Flash, and we'll change gears again and talk about editing video and editing audio. So there's a lot that we do in this class. The commonality is that we're going to learn how to prepare these types of multimedia for the web. So, where to get started in this class? If you found your way to Blackboard, everything is linked there. We do have a class website, which you see behind me or around me as this tiny little boxes in the corner. This is the class website. You'll find it at citsf221.community.uaf.edu. Here you'll find all the materials for class. You'll also find the assignments. So when you come here for the first time, what I'd recommend doing is familiarizing yourself with the syllabus and also with the course schedule. The course schedule is going to give you a list of all of the topics that we'll cover throughout the semester. And then you'll see a little bit further down the menu we have lessons here and the assignments that correspond to the respective lessons. So like I said, everything that you're going to need is here on the class website. We don't have a required textbook for this course. I have linked every week articles that do count as required reading. There's just no official textbook. Most of the things that we talk about, there's information on the web that is easy to find. As far as software is concerned, this course is software agnostic. I do recommend that you use Adobe Creative Cloud software because it's the industry standard. However, I realize that not everybody is either familiar with Creative Cloud software or likes Adobe, or you may have a piece of software that you prefer using, and that's fine. I'm not so much concerned with where you click in Adobe Creative Cloud to accomplish our assignments. I'm more concerned that you understand the techniques and how to accomplish what you want to do as far as creating and producing multimedia, regardless of what the software is that you're using. So you're free to use whatever software you'd like. If you're not sure what to use, please ask me. I do encourage you to sign up for a Creative Cloud account. However, there's lots of free and or open source alternatives available for the things that we'll be talking about. What else should we cover? Let's talk about homework. Homework for class is pretty straightforward. Every week we'll have a homework assignment, essentially. And all of the instructions for the assignments you'll find here on each respective assignment page. Assignments are going to be due by 11:59 Sunday nights at the end of the week. So if for some reason you're not able to turn in an assignment, please let me know ahead of time. I don't mind if you're late, but I mind if you don't tell me. We'll also be writing on the class blog. So when you submit an assignment, what I'd like for you to do is also post it here to the class blog, the class website. They're one and the same. You all have accounts already set up in this space. If you log in, you'll be able to log in with your UA ID and the password that you use to access your UA email. There's a login at the bottom of the screen here. So if you scroll down, you'll see it in the footer. I'm already logged in, so I don't see it. But if you're not logged in, you'll see it down here in the corner. There will also be some additional writing assignments that I'll be asking you to do from week to week, just going out onto the web and looking for inspiration, depending on what it is we're learning about each week. So for now, that's it. There's a lot that we cover in this course, so don't get frustrated right away. The first thing we're going to talk about after we do our introductions is setting up a website. So we'll talk about domain hosting, and we'll talk about actually registering a domain name. So if you've never set up a website before, we're going to walk through the steps and you'll get a chance to experience what it's like to host your own site. I'm looking forward to working with all of you and seeing what you produce during the semester. I look forward to reading your introductions. Thanks.